Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a donut out of black resin and aluminium. So we're going to start by getting it to a donut shape using negative rake tools from Easy Wood Tools. This blank was made to me by AGK Woodwork, so first of all thank you Andrew, and I will leave links to Andrew's channel down in the description, so be sure to go and check out Andrew. So we're making a tenon there on the left hand side so we can hold it in the chuck a little bit later on. And there we go. Our first mistake was holding it by a faceplate, and you will see why in just a minute. Yep, there we go. We've got some strip screws. But right now we are going to drill it out using a Forstner bit. There we go. So off camera I drilled out all of the strip screws and I brought up the tail stock with the Easy Wood cone center on it, and we're going to turn it around a bit more of a donut shape. There we go, and now we're going to make the hole on the inside. Another bad reason for using a faceplate is I had to make the hole in the middle a bit bigger than I wanted to. Never mind. By the way, all tools, cutters and even the lathe will be linked down in the description if anybody is interested. Alright, now we are going to take off the tenon on the other end, and this is with the #1 hollower to start off with. Here is the rougher. And now the Easy Wood parting tool. And at the moment I've got it held on with a glue block. There we go. And now we're going to finish off the insides. Here's the #1 hollower. Just going to match up the middle with the other side and make them match. There we go. Move the tool rest there. And now we're going to do some sanding. So we're going to do some dry sanding up to 320. There you go, just getting inside the hole. Going to clean it all off using some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There we go. And now we are going to wet sand up to 1,000 grit. There we go. And once again we're going to clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. You see all the black coming off there onto the paper towel. That's from the aluminium. And make sure it's cleaned nice and properly. There we go. And some Yorkshire Grit Microfine, which is going to take us up to around about 2,000 grit. So you're going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and now you have the equivalent of around about 2,000 grit. Or thereabouts. Once again, you can see all the black coming off on the paper towel. That's because you're buffing the and cleaning the aluminum that's in there. And once again, we're going to be cleaning it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Thank you once again, Andrew, for this blank. Like I said, I'll leave a link to Andrew's channel up in the cards and at the end screens. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.